Welcome to Poonam Art Stories. Today we are going to learn this painting. So for this what we need is we will need paper or a canvas board. We will need brush, water, we will need a palette, and we will need 5 basic colors which are red, orange, lemon yellow, black and white. Apart from this we will also need scale and pencil. And if you are going to use the paper, then we are going to need a sellotape as well. Okay, so I have applied the sellotape on all the 4 edges. Take red, orange, yellow, white and black color on your palette. You will not need lot of it. Just take small amount. Okay, now for this painting what you need to do is just measure what is the length of your paper, divide it by 3 and you put a straight line at the 1/3. Okay, just put a straight line at the 1/3. Put a straight line at the 1/3. Then sketch mountains. This will be your parting line between your mountain and the water. So what you have to do is, generally whatever is above the edge of water, it will get reflected in the opposite direction. So the first thing which comes is your mountain. So you are going to draw similar shape here, not very strong, but just that you need to understand the edges, and then you have your sun. Okay, now we will start with the painting. Take the red color. In here also you take orange color and then lots of white. As I told you already, because we have to draw a reflection, the same thing will repeat here but in opposite direction. But we need to make sure that while we do a reflection, we have to use the lots of water and make sure that all the strokes are horizontal. Okay, you have to use the horizontal strokes. So that's how you make. So if you go above, then what is happening is, first of all you're using yellow shade. So give yellow, lots of water, then orange, give orange, mix orange, and then a bit of red. Now to make the mountains, what we are going to do is take little bit of black and lots of water in it, so that when you draw a line, it should not be thicker. It would be like a dark gray color. Okay. lot of water. Okay, so if I see this is right and this is wrong. Also give the same color below. And give the horizontal lines with it. Now take white color, don't mix water. Now exactly below the sun, give the straight line of same width, then increase it, then little bit, add the thickness. So here you have to make sure that you draw a lines only with your tip of the brush, only you have to use the tip. So if you are not comfortable, then practice it on another paper. Now you can either take a sketch pen or you can take black color and then you should draw birds. You are ready with your painting. So see, you are ready with your painting. Enjoy. Happy painting.